So stay tuned to find out the error in this question, number 1, part B, from the CSEC Math January 2025 paper. So part B, Jim packed several cases of fruit juice for sale. Each case contained 24 boxes of juice in 3 different varieties, apple, orange, and pineapple, in the ratio 2 to 5 to 1, respectively. So part 1 for 1 mark, how many boxes of pineapple juice were packed in each case? So if the ratio of the boxes of juice is 2 to 5 to 1, apple to orange to pineapple, pineapple would represent 1 part out of the total. And if we calculate the total number of parts, 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1/8. So therefore, 1/8 of the number of boxes would represent pineapple. So therefore, 1/8 out of 24. So therefore, 3 boxes of juice or pineapple in the case. So let's go on to part 2, and this is where the error cropped up. So the profit gained from selling all of the boxes of pineapple juice is $35.64. Each box of pineapple juice was sold at $3.34. Show that the cost price of a box of pineapple juice is $2.35, and this is worth 3 marks. Now the problem with this question is that they put in caps all of the boxes of pineapple juice, but they did not state how many boxes were sold, because remember, the boxes of pineapple juice are in a case with apple and orange, and they did not tell us how many cases were sold altogether. So altogether, we do not know how many boxes of pineapple juice was sold. So I'm going to make an assumption in this question, because I'm imagining myself in one of my students' shoes. What would they do? A lot of students would be tempted to use the $2.35 and kind of work backwards and try to get the number of boxes, total number of boxes of pineapple juice sold. But really and truly, that's not how you're supposed to do this question. You're supposed to, given this information here, these two values, $3.34 and $35.64, to show that the cost price of 1 box of pineapple juice is $2.35. But we're missing information. So this is what I would have done. So the total number of boxes, excuse my handwriting, of pineapple juice sold, I'm gonna let it be 3 times n. 3, of course, because there are 3 boxes of pineapple juice in each case, and I'm gonna let n, where n be the number of cases of juice sold altogether, of course, which we don't know, which is the missing information. So the profit for 1 box of pineapple juice would therefore be the total profit, which is $35.64, divided by the total number of boxes, which is 3n. So I'm actually going to get an expression in terms of n. So $35.64 divided by 3 will give $11.88, and my n remains in the denominator. And then if I have to work out now the cost price of 1 box, right, and I'm just going to write here profit for 1 box. Right. So the cost price of 1 box of pineapple juice will be the selling price, which is $3.34, minus this expression that I got here in terms of n. And I have to leave my answer like that because, again, I am missing information. I don't know what n is, the total number of cases of juice. So this is how I would have approached this question. Again, not all students may have done this. But the good thing is you're still able to get this 1 mark. Yes, just 1 mark for this next part, because it is possible to find a percentage profit made on the sale of boxes of pineapple juice, because you can actually work out the profit. Percentage profit is profit over cost price by 100. Now, let me show you how we can work out the profit. So, they told us that the selling price of 1 box of pineapple juice was $3.34, and the cost price, we were supposed to show that it is $2.35. So if we subtract these two values, $3.34 minus $2.35 gives 99 cents profit per box of pineapple juice. So we take that 99 cents, we divide it by the cost price, which was $2.35. And this is based on 1 box of pineapple juice. So therefore the profit is 42%. Now, let's work backwards to see what the total number of cases should have been, what they should have stated in the question. So if it is the profit is 99 cents, or it should have been 99 cents per pineapple box of pineapple juice, all right, it means that this expression, $11.88, should be equal to 99 cents. So if I divide $11.88 by 99 cents, I actually get 12 cases. So that is the information that CXC neglected to mention in this question in order for students to work this part out. So let me know in the comments what you think.